Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Floorplan plugin by WP Tooling. Here we have on the front end, this is using the 2014 template that comes with WordPress. You can kind of see just the generic look and style of that site. But here we have an example of just any given office that you can use for the floor plan. So here we have the floor plan of some sort of facility, and you can see that each room here has not all of them obviously, but just for sample purposes, you have these rooms that have little camera icons on them, and what you can do from the front end as a user is you can just click on the icon on that room and see what the room looks like inside. And that's pretty much just the gist of the Floorplan Generator. You can also kind of flip through and see the different rooms this way here in the lightbox, but you don't have to use those arrows to navigate. You can always just click on whichever room you want to see, and you'll see the inside of that room. Now on the back end, as a WordPress developer or WordPress site owner at least, if you go here to the WordPress admin area, you'll see a tab over here on the left side in the WordPress menu for floor plans. You can just add new or view all your floor plans, and here we see the office example that we were just looking at. Obviously all of the same WordPress functionality comes into play where you can quick edit, throw it away, or view it. But if we go in to edit it, then you'll see that there is no content here. What we want to do is we want to scroll down below the content to where we see this floor plan pane. And what you can do is you can upload a floor plan, whether you upload from your computer or from your media library. Here you can see we have a couple of different floor plans, or a couple of duplicates of the same floor plan rather, here for the demo site. So you just basically choose which image you want and then insert it in. Then after you have actually inserted and selected the floor plan that you want, it's as simple as just clicking and dragging this little camera icon to the room that you want to display. So let's say we want to go here to this focus room. We'll go ahead and just drop it there. There we go. And then when we click on that, once we've gotten it positioned properly, we can choose an image that we want to use, and we'll just use this one again. And we're going to name that image some room with dimensions of 16 by 20 or something like that, capacity of 20 people, and this is some room as our description. And we're going to go ahead and save that. And voila, now we have a room added to the floor plan. And if we go back to the front end and we go ahead and refresh the page, we are going to see that that icon has now been added. We just click on it as a user, and now we see that room. And it is as simple as that. Now if you need to edit something that's already existing, like a room that we just added for example, you can just click on this icon and then click this edit icon, and then now we can change the name from some room to some other room, or whatever we want to do, change around information and save. And then when we go to the front end and refresh, now we have that same picture, obviously because I didn't change out the picture, but you get the gist. You can edit the different rooms and icons and stuff like that, and in cases where maybe you added a room and didn't mean to, you can always click here and click this trash can icon to delete the room, and now it's gone. Thanks for listening, and if you have any other questions, be sure to check out our support forums on wptooling.com.